In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create multiple or 10 images at once with Nano Banana in Google AI Studio. So basically, if we navigate through Google Gemini, we can only simply generate one image at a time with a prompt on the Gemini. But with the newest Google AI Studio Nano Banana, there's a secret prompt that we can use in order to generate multiple images at once. So this is going to be an example on the Google website itself. We have create a image realistic of a MotoGP rider riding on street, and this is what it presented us with. Now if we wanted to generate multiple images, we don't have the current settings that we can tweak in order to do that, but on the Gemini Banana, or I mean on the Nano Banana, we have something like the temperature, aspect ratio, resolution, and more. Basically, you want to go ahead and type your prompt right here. Now I have this prompt called call the image generation function with the following frequency. After each image generation, you always want to check the number. You may finish when the last number is matched. Here's the images that you can go ahead and create. Basically, you can just copy this prompt and enter it right here. And for example, for the first one, let's say that I want to generate a simple computer realistic. You can just type it out right here. For the second image, let's say that I want to basically do the same thing, but this time it's anime style. And for the last one, let's do something like a motorcycle. You can just hit on the enter button, and from there, Nano Banana will then generate all of these images at once. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.